Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to computer class. Today we are going to start our chapter number 3, computer memory and storage devices. Let's start with hard words. Byte, a group of 8-bit. CD means compact disc. DVD means digital versatile disc or digital video disc. Nibble, a group of 4-bit. RAM, random access memory. And ROM, read only memory. In this chapter we will learn about memory and storage, unit of memory and types of memory. So let's start our chapter. Computer memory and storage devices. Your brain helps you to remember things. It stores information. Our brain helps us to store everything. It stores the information and helps to recall whenever we need. In similar way, computer also have memory, which enables them to store instructions and information. As we are remembering all the things and at exam time you recall all the things, the same way we can do with computer. The data and instructions that are fed into a computer system through input devices are stored in some storage media. Whatever the data and instructions we are putting into a computer, they are stored somewhere in storage area. The storage capacity of a computer is called memory. As the storage capacity of computer is called memory. Memory storage. A computer store data and instruction in the form of binary digit, that is 0 and 1. It stores the information in the form of binary digit because it understands only binary digits. These two digits are used in a programming language called binary language. These two digits are used in programming language, that is binary language. Units of memory. We need units of memory and quantity. For example, we use liter to measure liquid and meters to measure length. As we use liter to measure liquid and meters to measure length. Similarly, data can be measured in bits and bytes and other units. In computer, data can be measured in the bits, bytes and other unit. BIT, bit, is the smallest unit of information which a computer can process and store. The smallest unit is bit. A group of 4-bit form a nibble. 4-bit equal to 1 nibble. And a group of 8-bit form a byte. 4-bit equal to 1 nibble and 8-bit equal to 1 byte. The higher units of memory are given as follow. So let's learn about higher units of memory. 1 KB means 1 kilobyte equal to 2 raised to 10 bytes equal to 1024 bytes. 1 KB kilobyte equal to 1024 bytes. 1 MB, MB means megabyte. 1 MB equal to 2 raised to 10 KB, kilobyte. So 1 MB equal to 1024 kilobyte. 1 megabyte equal to 1024 kilobyte. 1 GB. GB means gigabyte. 1 GB equal to 2 raised to 10 MB, megabyte. So 1 GB equal to 1024 megabyte. 1 TB, TB means terabyte. 1 TB equal to 2 raised to 10 GB, gigabyte. So 1 TB equal to 1024 gigabytes. 1 TB equal to 1024 gigabytes. Now 1 PB, PB means petabyte. 1 PB means 2 raised to 10 TB. 1 petabyte equal to 1024 terabyte. So here the smallest unit is bit and the biggest unit is PB, petabyte. Now let's learn about types of memory. Computer memory is of two types, that is primary memory and secondary memory. Computer memory is of two types, primary memory and secondary memory. Now let's learn about primary memory. Primary memory is also known as the internal memory or main memory. Primary memory is a main memory of a computer. It is an inbuilt memory present inside the CPU. It is inbuilt memory and it is present inside the CPU. It stores data or instruction currently used by the computer. It stores the data and instruction, like when we are do some drawing and opening a computer program, that time it's stored inside the primary memory. The maximum size of primary memories is 256 MB. We can increase its size anytime. Primary memory is of two types, read-only memory and random access memory. These are two types of primary memory. So that's it for today. We will learn new things in our next video. Thank you students. Bye-bye.